Welcome back to Quiz Blitz Fun! Get ready to hear, feel, and think! Can you survive 5 super creative sound and vibration quiz rounds before the impossible finale? 2 emojis, 1 noisy answer. What instrument makes big booming vibrations? It was a drum! Boom boom! If you got it, you are off to a rocking start. Amazing! Silver trophy unlocked. You're doing great, don't give up. Quick science check. Sound travels fastest through what kind of material? The answer is through solids. Tiny particles are packed close together, so vibrations zoom along. Incredible! Gold trophy! You're halfway there. A sound bounces back to you from a wall or canyon. Can you complete the word? Echo! That bouncing sound came right back. Nice work if you heard that one coming. Wow! Platinum trophy! You can definitely reach the last question. Study each one carefully. Where is the object? There it is! The bell! If you remember that spot, your brain is seriously powerful. You are a genius! Diamond trophy unlocked!
Uh-oh!
Only a tiny part is showing. What science tool vibrates to make a pure musical note? It was a tuning fork. That was a super sneaky one, so celebrate if you nailed it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.